Hey YouTube, as always, I appreciate your support. I appreciate you resonating with me. Today, we're going to talk about how you can raise your energy so you have more power in your life to live by your goals, live by your dreams. And the main theme of this video today is appreciation. I love appreciation. Some of you might be like, oh, that's a very common concept. You're talking concept, I'm talking experimental. You're talking concept like it's an idea that's in your head. Oh yeah, appreciation is a good idea. No, it's a moment-to-moment skill. It's an art to appreciate. It's a focus-driven exercise. It's something that raises your energy. Not only it raises your energy, it raises your perception. You see life different. You see new opportunities. You see life in a beautiful way. This practice is a practice of momentum, because if you have already a negative stream of thought or you're not as positive, you have to kind of force yourself a bit but keep focusing on what you appreciate. And you also have to find the subjects that make you appreciate easier, because it's really just about the appreciation, your appreciation of where you are. Abraham Hicks talks about the more you appreciate where you are, the more good things come to you. So as examples, when you start appreciating, it's a momentum that's created. In the beginning, you might not feel something yet until you keep going. You have to keep going. So for example, I'm so appreciative of this nature outside that I'm walking in. I appreciate so much this park that I have access to. I appreciate that I have a phone camera to record with. You have to appreciate everything. You cannot take things for granted. I appreciate this walkway, the streets around here that got me here, that people built. So many people had to build these streets. I appreciate that so much in my life is set up by so many people. I appreciate the protein shake that I have in my bag, where I'm going to the gym later, and I'm not gonna be hungry because I have the support. I appreciate the water that I have in my bag. If you think, what is he talking about? You're still watching my video from a sense of concept and not, okay, let me try to practice this. And for you right now watching, ask yourself, what makes you feel lighter in your life? And it's good, as Abraham Hicks talks about, to go general. Because if you're too specific, you cannot go from negative to extremely positive. You have to go from negative to stay general. Maybe you can go general negative and general positive. But really the guideline is whatever makes you feel lighter. So ask yourself in your life and be very general. And general can mean, oh, I'm glad I have a healthy body. I'm glad I have water. I'm glad, like things that you would consider small, that are not small, but that get you on the level of appreciation. I appreciate the sunshine. I appreciate my body moving. And I'm telling you guys, go outside in nature and do this. Go outside in nature and really take some time and walk and look around and be like, I appreciate that I have a healthy body that's moving. I like the movement of my body. I like that my legs are working. I like that my muscles are working. I like that I care about my body. I like that I go to the gym and take care of my body. I like the feeling of exercise. I like the feeling of movement. I like the feeling of creativity right now, making a video. I like this feeling of doing something and expressing myself. I like this feeling. I appreciate making a YouTube video right now. I appreciate having people who follow me who resonate with my message. I appreciate that I get to explore who I am. I appreciate that I want to follow my excitement with no insistence on the outcome, as Bashar says. I appreciate that there's so much possibility in life. I appreciate this beautiful nature, the colors that I see. I appreciate the space that I have to move. So try it out today. Go out there and go out in nature. Start appreciating all the things you have. Go on a drive. Start appreciating you having a car. Start appreciating you having all those. Look for the things that you got, not the things that you don't have. And make it try to go in the direction of feeling lighter. And once you are in the level of appreciation, you don't have to focus and hold on tightly to stay there. You can just relax and live your life. And then when you need it again, you can use the practice again, right? This is something that, because I'm a very ambitious person, I'm like, oh, I have to stay in this field of appreciation always, 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 always. And I realized that, oh no, that's like really holding on. I can just get on that frequency and then live my life, follow my excitement, and let things fall where they may. And when I go down again, I can find appreciation again. All right? I appreciate you guys. I wish you guys a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. By the way, I'm gonna make a video every day now, so I'm gonna see you guys daily with updates.